Welcome to another episode of my cooking demo. So our recipe for today will be for gyoza, or Japanese gyoza, Chinese pot stickers, or Korean mandu. I think they're pretty much close to same, but for this time we are doing the Japanese version. So starting off here with some ground pork, okay, some shredded ginger. Let's mix together with the ground pork. Some garlic paste. Okay, so about a teaspoon of garlic paste. Some ginger juice. Ginger juice. This. Some blanched Napa cabbage, or yeah, and then blanched and then diced Napa cabbage. Okay, so generous amount. Some chopped onion leeks, or at least the green part of the onion leeks. Okay, so and after that, for the marinade, we're gonna be doing some Chinese cooking wine. Light soy sauce. A bit of pepper, the mixture. This I'm using black pepper. Sesame oil onto the mixture. Okay, and finally you do a bit of salt. A bit of salt. Okay. Next is we try to mix this all together before we put in the sauce. So, using our fingers, best way to mix something. Smells so good. So if you do this at home and it smells a little bit better than you expect, it's normal. Okay, so then after this we let it marinate for some of you might be asking, oh, how come I didn't put any eggs? How come I didn't put any binder or cornstarch or anything? Well, the whole thing will be wrapped inside a wrapper like a dumpling, so you don't really need any type of binder to hold it together because it's going to be in a dumpling. Okay, so alright, so let this marinate. Let it marinate for between 30 minutes to about 2 hours. Covered inside a refrigerator before you wrap it. Okay, so all right, back to our gyoza mixture. Now that our gyoza mixture or stuffings have been marinating for about 30 minutes, it's time to wrap them up. So we have here some gyoza wrapper, or the round pot sticker wrappers. So round. And we have here some, we have here a plate that has a damp paper towel. Damp with just plain old water. So take this one, slap it on there, okay? And then pick it up. So one side would be wet, okay? Put in your gyoza mixture. You might wanna focus it down on my finger. So the way that we do it would be, okay, so hold the finger like this, okay, seal, seal, okay. Okay, so nice. We're gonna steam this later. After it's steamed, we're gonna pan fry it up. So, and also show you how to make the sauce for it. Okay, so let's do another one. Put it right there. Have it on there. Get your mixture. Okay, just the right amount. Pick it up. Okay. Okay. If you think you put too much, just take some out. So. Okay. Okay. All right. So see you later after I make all these. All right. So now that I have finished wrapping all the gyoza, probably about 20 minutes later, now it's time to steam these gyoza. So carefully putting them on the steamer, like this. So trying to fit as much as I can. This is a new steamer, new electric steamer that we just got. So I wonder how many we can fit so far. So it might seem like I'm trying to crowd them up, but they're actually not touching each other, sorta. So make some adjustments. Okay, all right, good. That's one. Next one. Start from here. Oh, that steamer is just all fired up. All right, it looks like that's as much as we can fit in one go. So the other ones are gonna have to go next later on. This one's supposed to go here. This one is supposed to go here. Put the cover on. Okay. Put these on top. And off they go to the steamer. All right, so we'll see you back in a few minutes when this thing is all done. Ciao. All right, so now that the gyoza has steamed already, so and this is what it looked like. So now it's time to pan fry them. So we're gonna head over to the pan and then sear them with a little bit of oil. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so now while we're waiting for the pan to heat up, we're gonna make the sauce for the gyoza. So starting with a little bit of ginger juice, put it inside, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of the Chinese wine, cooking wine. You can also use sake or mirin if that's what you have, and a little bit of soy sauce. So it should give it a little bit of sweetness, sourness, little spiciness from the ginger. Okay. And then just wait for it to boil. Once it boils, it's all done. Okay. All right, so now that the gyoza has steamed, it's now time to pan fry it. So our hot pan, a little bit of oil. Okay. Okay. That's enough to coat the surface of the pan. A little bit of oil. Okay. you have it. Pot stickers, and together with the sauce. Okay, thank you for watching my show, and I'll see you until the next recipe. Thank you very much.